Good day. You know me as Larry Klayman. I'm the founder of Judicial Watch and then Freedom Watch. I'm currently the chairman and general counsel of Freedom Watch. I'm the only lawyer ever to have a court rule that a president of the United States committed a crime, and that was Bill Clinton when he exposed the Privacy Act protected files of a woman he harassed in the White House's Oval Office. That was Kathleen Willey. Now we have another task. Whether it's government authorities, which have been corrupted, or the Republican Party, which has been cowardly, compromised, and is unwilling to take action. We at Freedom Watch commissioned a citizens' grand jury over a year ago in Boise, Idaho, and then tried Joe Biden, Hunter Biden, and James Biden for bribery from communist China, Ukraine, and Russia, and Joe Biden for negligent homicide in Afghanistan. Well, lo and behold, the citizens' judge has issued a ruling, a memorandum of opinion, and he has found that Joe Biden, Hunter Biden, and James Biden are guilty of felony crimes for bribery and other criminal offenses, including Joe Biden for negligent homicide in Afghanistan. I want you to go to freedomwatchusa.org after we hold a press conference tomorrow. It'll be held at Freedom Watch's YouTube channel at 9 a.m. Pacific. It'll be noon Eastern time. I will then reveal the findings of the citizens' judge. And I will show, as I have in this press release, which will be going out tomorrow morning, that we will have a sentencing on August 29th, 2023. Now, when Joe Biden, James Biden, and Hunter Biden were indicted, they were given notice of that indictment, and they were given an opportunity to plead innocent, guilty, or nolo contendere. That means no contest. They didn't show up. They have no respect for the American people. We then proceeded to set up a trial in Boise, Idaho, which took place the first week of July of last year and continued with new evidence that was acquired during that time period. At all times, Joe Biden, Hunter Biden, and James Biden were accorded the opportunity to appear and defend themselves with themselves or either with legal counsel. Of course, they didn't show up. So we tried them in abstention. And this is the result. So I want you to chime in and tune in to our press conference tomorrow at 9 a.m. Pacific at noon Eastern and see what exactly has come down. And once they're sentenced, and we're confident they will be given prison time, they deserve prison time, these are serious felonies, that the military or law enforcement, if they don't turn themselves in voluntarily, will be asked to arrest them and to put them in prison where they belong. In 48 states of this country, including the District of Columbia and in Idaho, there's a right of citizens arrest. And when that happens, when there's probable cause, you can arrest a person and turn them over to law enforcement. We're going beyond that because we actually have a criminal conviction. So consequently, tune in tomorrow at 9 a.m. Pacific at noon Eastern to see exactly what has happened, because this is an education for the American people. We do not need to rely on the corrupt Justice Department under the so-called leadership of Merrick Garland or Christopher Wray of the FBI. We ourselves have the right, as Justice Scalia ruled in a case United States versus Williams, to indict, to try, convict, and to sentence. Stay tuned. Remember, the Father and Son will only protect you, your loved ones in this nation, if we help ourselves. And that's what we're doing right now. It's up to the American people to bring the Biden crime family to justice.